Somebody been shopping? Oh, somebody been shopping? shopping. Ooh, somebody been shopping. Like, proud of myself because what? 28 here, 29 there. So round it up to 30, that's 60. And then Burlington, I spent what, 39? So just round everything up to 39. That's 40, 30, 30, 60, 40, 100. So I'm proud of myself. You know, that was my budget and I stayed within it. Let's jump into this haul. I'm back. Let's go ahead and get into this haul really quickly. So it is a collective haul. I went to Burlington, Ross, and DD's. Ross, let's see what I end up getting from Ross. Ross was looking pretty good. It was looking pretty good. I was so excited to go in there. Okay, beautiful people, I'm doing this in no particular order. I am so excited that I was able to get these for $3.99. Two of them, by the way. Okay. Yes, you cannot beat that. I'm just trying to up the little, the kitchen vibes, just bring it up a little bit. Okay, that's what I'm trying to do. So those were $3.99 each. I end up getting this beautiful, beautiful KitchenAid can opener. Oh my goodness. Because if you know, I did a video. I'll make sure I leave that down in the description box. I finally got my KitchenAid mixer. So yes. So now I have a beautiful can opener. And this beautiful, beautiful belt. The can opener was $8.99. I don't think that's a bad price. That's very affordable for the KitchenAid brand. Okay, and I did pick up this Juicy Couture belt. And I just thought that it was so feminine, cute, and darling. Juicy Couture, okay. Everything in there that is so cute and it fits my waist. Great price, right? You can't beat that. Okay, and Ross. $3.99, $3.99, $7.99, $8.99, $25.95. Okay, $2.66 tax. $28.61. Okay, so that's not bad. And I picked up this bag too for Ross. DD's. DD's. Okay. All right, DD's. DD's is like, I love it. Okay, I do. So I end up getting this right here. I needed this. Let's look at this pretty pink hat. Okay, yes, $3.99. And it's that faux leather, like, for $3.99. Like, what? $3.99. Like, where? Okay. Yes, okay. NDDs, $4.99, $5.99, $4.99, $3.99, $5.99, $26.94, okay. $2.75 with tax, okay. Giving me $29.69, okay. Yes. Remember these, okay? They were in there for $5.99. I was just like, no, excuse me, $4.99. So I'm going to try this out. Once I shampoo my hair next time, I'm going to just stretch it out a little bit and see what is giving, because I did trim my ends and I'm so happy that I did that. But I do want to try this, okay? Remember, these were on TV and these were very popular. So I thought that I would just give it a try, and I did pick this up right here. Look at all of the tones that it has on the back, and I just thought that was so pretty. Okay, just dare to go ahead and try different tones and hues for the beautiful skin. Okay, so yes, I'm loving that on those deep color skins there. Oh my goodness, that is so beautiful. Yes. Okay, so this is what they look like, and the price was very affordable. Did pick up some accessories. Okay, look at these. Oh, so cute. Okay, let's go ahead and jump right into Burlington. You see that heart? Burlington deals, okay? So let's see what I got. Let's see what I got. Because, you know, I'm just trying to step up the kitchen game. So, you know, get good vibes in there while I'm cooking. $3.99. Lemon squeezer. Okay, slice those veggies. So I needed I have 3. So these were $3.49, and I ended up getting 3 of them, and I needed a wire whisk set. So yes, I just needed a whisk. I needed a whisk, period. Okay, so now I have one in the kitchen. Okay, so last but not least, I end up getting one of these. I needed a coloring set. You cannot beat the price. The price was right on point. All right, I hope you've enjoyed the time that we shared with each other, out shopping and hanging out a bit and sharing my collective haul. So make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. And if it is a video that relates to this video, it's going to be up in the cards over here, right down in the description box, or it's going to show up at the end screen. So I hope wherever you are in the land, hope that you're feeling fancy and free and you're doing the things that you love to do. Come back and visit my channel again